welcome back to another video. Today I will unbox an AOC Agon AG241QX monitor. Let's get into it. The screen comes well packaged with a lot of accessories, which we'll take a closer look at later in the video. On top of the whole thing, we can find the feet of the monitor, together with the neck and the power adapter. Beneath these things we can find the screen itself. It's a 144Hz QHD G-Sync compatible screen. It's not amazingly color accurate, but it gets the job done. It has a variety of settings and has 1 millisecond response time. Now, let's take a look at the accessories. This little controller plugs into the display and makes navigating the UI easier. We also get a cable for the built-in USB 3.0s. The power cable, an HDMI to HDMI cable, a DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, a DVI to DVI cable, a VESA mount, some software and audio cables, and of course a power brick. Then, the only things we haven't looked at are the base and the neck of the screen. The base is very strong, fully made out of metal and looks sleek. It has rubber pads on the bottom to prevent slipping. The neck is also made out of metal and is heavy, so you don't have to worry about tipping your monitor. With these two, the screen is able to swivel horizontally and vertically and adjust its angle and height. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and see you in the next video.